for Krishna Engineering College. He said that he has an assignment to go. He was teaching, he was the head of electrical engineering department in Krishna Engineering Colleges. And see, if I come and join, I can come and join only in the month of November after finishing that course. I said, no, I want you immediately. He said, no, but will your system allow? Then I keep teaching him. I said, no problem, you come here tomorrow. This commitment of you teaching a course in Krishna Engineering College will not be hampered. You be here whenever, whatever is the time in which you have got scheduled class, go to Krishna Engineering College, deliver and come back.
It was a great from your side, sir. It was a great. That was a commitment from my side, and you have allowed me to complete that commitment.
He said that please confirm from your people, otherwise you will be in trouble.
Yes, that also I told.
I said no problem, because what was happening was that was the time when the admissions to the first batch, the one which had just passed, was happening. It was sometimes in the month of July also, and that was the stage when admissions were on. And I was all alone. I was supposed to be traveling with batch 3 to Delhi. I was supposed to be out. I wanted somebody on whose shoulders I could put my responsibility and go. So I requested him. He just came, and after a couple of days, I went away for 15 days. That was the association. From there it started. And after that, in the last nearly 2.5 years, I don't think that I would have had any major decision without discussing with him. Everything we used to discuss. At times, we used to disagree. Many times we used to agree, and brother said that it is very difficult to irritate him, but I was successful at least on 5 occasions to irritate him, get a lot of firing from him, and also during that firing, in one of the firing, he started firing so much I went down and touched his feet. Sir, and today, see, in the morning somebody asked me, you are not comfortable, you are not in your own shoes. I told him, yes, I am not. Because today, after today, I am likely to lose that support, whatever was the dilemma in my mind. And in the process of bringing this institution to this level, there had been many such dilemmas in life. So I used to discuss everything, day, night. At times we have spoken at night at 11 o'clock or so. Because after that I am not awake, I go to sleep at night at 10 o'clock. So when such situations happen, then only I call him in the night. So day, night, whenever I could discuss anything with him, he would listen to it patiently. And at times when I get agitated, he'll say, okay, cool, calm down, we can take this particular way. This support which he was giving, right from morning to day, I was thinking that I am losing this support which is making me uncomfortable. Sir, thank you for all the support which you have provided. We will keep nurturing those memories. I also request that you help us. You have been helping us. I know that you keep helping us in several ways. And I am a person, Dil Mange More, Wala Isma Pila. Whenever I had a task, जब हमको किसी शोल्डर की जरूरत होती थी कि ये काम करना है तो करना ही है, I was always going to Dr. Chanda, सर ये काम करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, ये इसमें क्या क्या तरीका अपनाया जा सकता है वो आप सोचिए, लेकिन मुझे बताइए मुझे क्या करना है, बाकी यू टेक द लीड। दिल मांगे मोर वाले के हिसाब से एक काम अभी और मैं डॉक्टर चंदा को एक और रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। आपको ध्यान होगा अभी a few days back we had a meeting there related to MBA accreditation, where we fixed the target that we have to submit our application before this Diwali to NBA so that we are accredited and next year we are able to start PhD. We need somebody who will shoulder that responsibility full time, nothing else. And I think all of us are having something or other. I find only you as a person who at the moment is getting free. So allow another 15 days. Don't get yourself free. Give me your 15 days. give NTPC School of Business your this 15 days and please complete this task before you finally hand it over.
एड्रेस इज देयर है सर, आप फोन दो मैं आ जाऊंगी.
True, sir.
चंदा साहब के बारे में बहुत कुछ बोला जा चुका. चंदा साहब का बिहेवियर बाकी चीज, बट कुछ एक आध चीजें और मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा. चंदा साहब अपार्ट फ्रॉम वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग हैंडलिंग डिफरेंट अदर थिंग्स, चंदा साहब इमरजेंसीज और फियस्को बहुत अच्छा हैंडल करते थे सर. PMI में कई बार बहुत सा ऐसा इमरजेंसीज आया था, बट व्हेनेवर चंदा साहब वाज हियर तो चंदा साहब यूज्ड टू से दैट नहीं हो जाएगा. और कई बार ऐसे फियस्को आए जिसमें एक दो बार फियस्को था सर, IOM भी देने पर आ गया था साइनिंग डायरेक्टर असेंबली को कुछ समथिंग हैपेंड. तो चंदा साहब कई इमरजेंसी, चाहे VT का इमरजेंसी हो या फरक्का जाके जो प्रॉब्लम लोगों का सॉल्व करने वाला था, तो मेरी इमरजेंसीज है मेरी फियस्को चंदा साहब इतना कूलली हैंडल करते थे. दैट वाज अ ग्रेट सपोर्ट. हम लोगों को मतलब कुछ सोचना नहीं पड़ता सर. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर दैट.
So I think I must be very.
सर मैं भी कुछ कर.
हाँ please.
Calm and composed of fatherly figure. प्रदीप चंदा सर, रॉय सर, मतलब मैंने इनसे अच्छा कहता है कि वो हार्ड अबाउट गुड लिसनर, तो मैंने इनसे अच्छा लिसनर नहीं देखा. मैंने यहाँ ज्वाइन किया सर मेंटेनेंस में, तो आप इन दोनों को ध्यान से देखिए, GC और PC को, तो तकरीबन हाइट एक सेम है, कलर सेम है, कपड़े में थोड़ा सा फर्क है. तो त्रिपाठी सर का फोन आया तो मुझे इन दोनों में कंफ्यूजन रहता था. वो कुछ मुझे मेंटेनेंस का काम बताएं, अब उसमें कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम था, तो ये सीढ़ियों से उतर रहे थे, तो मैंने इनको पकड़ लिया. मैं कहा त्रिपाठी साहब ये ऐसे काम नहीं हो सकता. और काफी देर तक मैं इनको समझाता रहा, टेक्निकलिटी में ये होगा वो होगा, और ये चुपचाप बड़ी शांति से दूसरी सीढ़ी पे खड़े होकर सुनते रहे. 10-15 मिनट तक मैं त्रिपाठी साहब बोलता रहा, तो एंड में बोले, सोनी आई एम PC, आई एम नॉट GC. क्वालिटी है सर की, और मैंने इतना काम एंड कंपोज आदमी कभी नहीं देखा. इनका बड़प्पन है कि कभी भी कोई बात होती थी हमेशा फोन करके पूछेंगे कि यू आर फ्री, आप लाइक टू कम. ये इनका बड़प्पन है. और मैं कहूँगा कोविड के टाइम में आप इतने खुशनसीब इंसान है कि आप जिंदगी में दूसरी बार रिटायर हो रहे हैं 60 में और 65 में. अदरवाइज अभी तो कितने लोग
Right.
कुछ पंक्तियां मैं आपको सौंपता हूँ. इस दोस्त की कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही. कभी यूं भीड़ देखता हूँ तो कविता याद आ जाती है कि किसी से बात कोई आजकल गद नहीं होती, इसीलिए तो मुकम्मल गजल नहीं होती. गजल सी लगती है लेकिन गजल नहीं होती, सभी की जिंदगी खिलता कमल नहीं होती. और आप जैसे शख्स के लिए कि तमाम उम्र तजुर्बात ये सिखाते हैं, कोई भी राह शुरू में सहल नहीं होती. वो जब भी हंसती है कितनी उदास लगती है, वो एक पहेली है जो मुझसे हल नहीं होती. किसी से बात कोई आजकल नहीं. मेरी तरफ से, मेरे परिवार की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. यूं ही हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और सबके दिल में जगह बना रखें. बहुत बहुत
सर एक और बात जो मुझे याद आ रही है, मुझे लगता है कि जब आप NTPC से रिटायर हुए थे, जैसे टुडे इज योर फेयरवेल बट योर रिटायरमेंट डेट इज टुमारो, छुट्टी के दिन. पिछली बार NTPC से जब आप रिटायर हुए तभी आपका छुट्टी के दिन अगले दिन छुट्टी थी. और आई रिमेम्बर दैट आई वाज इन IIT, यू वर रिसीविंग योर डिग्री ऑन दैट.
Yes.
रिटायर होने के बाद, यहाँ से फेयरवेल होने के बाद आपका डिग्री ले रहे थे, लेकिन स्टिल योर इन NTPC के भी आपका फेयरवेल भले हो गया था, रिटायरमेंट तो उस दिन हो रहा. ये मेरे ख्याल से दोनों तब 60 साल के हो रहे हैं, जब 65 साल के हो रहे हैं. ये बात क्यों नहीं?
Coincidence. Right.
So, sir, from my side, I think when I joined NTPC, I demanded that I should go and see a plant. So our HR arranged for the plant. I went to see Talcher and one more plant actually. So while I was going, I think could be the Ramgundam, some more plant. So I am going with my friend who is telling this is boiler, this is turbine. So very innocently I tried to ask him that what is the specifications? Like when you say heat rate, what is the heat rate? So many things I want to ask him. That's the pure inquisitiveness. Then he paused for a while, he looked at me, sir, you are a person in PMI who can answer all your questions. I said, my God, who is that person? I don't know, but he knows. And I said, it is Chanda Saab who is next door. So you can imagine that time I was not properly introduced to Chanda Saab because I was over there. So it is just like Bill Gates coming to India. Before he arrives, the image arrives. So his image arrived to me before I could get immediately introduced to him. So that was Chanda Saab for me. Then eventually I remember our canteen used to be a very good place that time for discussion.
Corner discussion.
Yeah. And many things get solved also.
Yes,
Lunchtime. Very vibrant. So people who was the tiffin also carrier, they also choose to go to the canteen, lest they miss out the drama. So in the canteen, I think that time Chanda Saab was taking the meals over there. So one day he completes an MTech. I still remember the gesture like. He is so frank. He just entered the door and with hands up he said, MTech khatam ho gaya. So with all this he would say, and you feel very elated. So that is Chanda Saab for you. And it was very much curry pasand nahi. So he will be entering, kya hua hai? He will go to the counter. I just said curry boy. Somebody of the ICS will try to rescue and he said curry nahi hua. So this I remember. But one thing I am very sure, you already said it, sir. Like I think he's the agony uncle of the campus. For anything, everything, personal level, professional level, anything, sir, it just can fall back on him. And coincidentally, I used to compare him with, we have a ED called Nair sir. So, and believe me, if you are very stressed, go to his room to relieve your stress. And he is a person, believe me again, when you are stressed, if it happens to your boss like, go to his room to distress yourself. So that is the kind of aura he takes. This is a very good thing I learned from him. And wherever he has been, he has a very huge, kind of people. Always is kind of, I should not be saying followers, but admiring. So very much admire the personality. So I am very happy that I came back again to join him in the NSP. And one thing is very sure, when a task is given, whether it is HR, IT or any dance task, he will complete the task. And that is a clear indication what Rai sir said. Even I was amazed. See sir, people who are doing plants are a different kind, I tell you sir. In NTPC, people who work in the plants, I get reminded our Rao sir was in, Rao sir, DS Rao sir, he is in Simadri. So I went there for a presentation. In his room, he brought us inside in one door. So we discussed something, but he let us out in another door. I said, Rai sir, but we entered that way. No, it's the escape route. In Chanda Saab, I remember the most tough job we will always take up. Rightly said by Shukla Saab. And I was amazed to see that a person who is so far technical, so far in training, and he was sent to as head of HR in Bangaigaon, the most difficult project in NTPC, and he did it so successfully. I was inclined to say that the kind of things he did for the boundary management, and he went head on to meet the people of the villages, formed a cooperative, income generation that he created. This is worth writing a case study. So that thing he said in those times, that is something very unique about it. To take up the challenge head on is something very unique about it. So will be the, obviously we are the August company of SAR, and will be always take his help for anything we want. Thank you, sir. Very obliged to you.